Welcome to ORIL, where we translate complex ideas into practical solutions for the real world. We'll explore how the ORIL team crafts software products. Join us as we walk you through the product development lifecycle. We start with product design, followed by MVP development, growth and scaling, and maintenance and support. During the product design stage, we lay the foundation for a successful product. We start by diving deep into the initial idea. Through thorough competitor analysis, we identify unique features that can differentiate your product. Then, we translate these insights into design solutions, shaping user flows, designing wireframes, and culminating in UI/UX design. An integral part of this stage is the creation of a technical architecture and implementation proposal, outlining the technical framework and product development strategy. During the MVP development phase, we create a minimum viable product focusing on core functionality. The MVP enables users to interact with the product and gather initial feedback. It allows companies to test their ideas, lower the risk during development, and better match their products with what users need, all while saving time and resources. Incorporating the Agile methodology, our iterative approach ensures rapid delivery of major features alongside minor enhancements, ensuring adaptability to evolving needs and requirements. Early releases ensure timely progress. User feedback and analytics data drive our development priorities, ensuring the MVP aligns with emerging requirements. As the product grows, we refine and scale it. We incorporate new functionality to meet user demands and ensure scalability. Leveraging invaluable user feedback, we prioritize feature development and improvements. Ongoing design updates aim to enhance usability and overall user satisfaction. Performance optimization ensures the product consistently operates at peak levels. Regular security updates protect against new threats and vulnerabilities. Continuous testing guarantees quality. Beyond development, the product requires ongoing attention and care, which is where maintenance and support come into play. It guarantees uninterrupted performance and consistent user experiences. Whether it's groundbreaking software development or meticulous maintenance, we're your team. Ready to innovate? Let's connect.